If you want to know how to check out templates on CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest way to find templates inside CapCut PC and start using one in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you want to create videos faster, save time editing, and get access to ready-made styles without building everything from scratch. If this video helps, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Now, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC and wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you're in the app, take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where CapCut keeps most of its main tools and shortcuts. On that left menu, find the Templates option and click it. As soon as you open the Templates section, CapCut will show you a variety of ready-to-use template options you can browse through. This is where you can check out all templates available in CapCut. You'll usually see different styles, formats, and trending template ideas depending on what's currently available. Take your time to scroll through and explore the options. If you're not sure which one to pick, look for a template that matches the type of video you want to make, whether that's a short-form edit, a promotional clip, a social media post, or a fun montage. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open the preview. This lets you see more details and make sure it's the right fit before you use it. When you're ready, simply click Use Now. CapCut will load that template into your project so you can start customizing it with your own media and text, and that's really all there is to it. By going to the template section on CapCut PC, you can quickly browse available templates and start editing in seconds. It's one of the fastest ways to create polished content without spending a lot of time on setup. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing guides, and beginner-friendly how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.